So it's recommended that you complete your homework assignments in Microsoft Word, but if you choose to use Google Docs, it's going to take you a couple of more steps. So let's take a look at an assignment here. Let's download assignment number 3, and then let's go into our Google Docs. So to access your homework assignment, you're going to have to upload it. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to actually open a new, I'm not even going to do that, and then I'll upload my assignment. My assignment's on my desktop, so I'll go find assignment number 3, pull that in. So once I'm in my assignment, you enter your homework here. When you're all done, go up to File, Download, and save it as a Word document. If you save it as a Word document, then that'll make it much, much easier for your instructor to review. So I'm going to save that as a Word document. Find that on my Finder. And I'm going to make sure that that is on my desktop. That's it. So if you're going to complete the first 2 assignments, which are org charts of your organization and your incident command system, what I suggest you do is go back to your Documents home, go to your Slides, and then starting with a blank presentation, either insert a series of shapes or go to this diagram right here, pick a hierarchy, start that again, 4, get rid of my excess, enter in my fire chief, AC Smith, Burke, Captain Davis, Lieutenant Jones, and you see how it goes. You can keep adding those, and then when it comes time, I save that as an image. With me so far? Now that image I'll make sure that it's on my desktop. Now I go back to my Documents home and I open that assignment up that I've already uploaded, and then I insert that org chart as an image And then I save that as a Word document. And then I upload that Word document from my desktop. And I upload that file, and my homework is complete. Save changes and you're all set.